Cold steel burden trout. Really underestimated. I love this fucking knife. That little Secure X sheath that my cat got to. It's pretty good. Os 8, wrapped it in Kevlar cord, just for some grip where it matters. Right there. I still like the thin profile. Really can't beat it. Oh, that oblong shape always gets me. I gotta throw it a couple times to get used to it. See? Just gotta get used to it. Anyways, follow up with the Izula. Another beautiful one. I love the Izula. It's not really a throwing knife, just because of the shape. If you look just the weight and how it's balanced, it's always gonna kind of want, and you have to play that right. Consistency. Both great knives. The Bird and Trout, great budget, great value. Don't underestimate things.